Hello everyone, this is Jeb Hamwerger from goldstocktrades.com. Today is January 12, 2012, and the market just recently closed, and I wanted to update my readers about some important developments in the rare earth sector. One of our long-term recommendations and early recommendations in the rare earth space quest is making a major break of a downtrend on record volume that has never been seen on the American exchanges before since they came out in 2010. And it's very compelling that this may be a bottoming process that we are witnessing throughout the rare earth sector. We've seen many of the rare earths, especially as 2012 has come in, have some powerful gains. And what we're witnessing is that the Chinese rare earth exports that were not reached, that were not fully used, means that industrial end users are refusing to buy rare earths from the Chinese at these elevated astronomical prices, and they're refusing to let their factories to have their factories go into China and lose their intellectual properties. They would rather, such as the Korean consortium that went into frontier rare earths, they would rather look for rare earth deposits. Or the Toyota auto manufacturers, who, although they have been claiming that they are going to engineer out the heavy rare earths, the reality is they're buying rare earth deposits. Witness the Matamek deal with Toyota. And we think that that is just the beginning. We're going to see more deals occurring in 2012. And this amount of volume that's coming into Quest, and what we saw with Tasman and Ucore, and our rare element resources, which almost doubled, this means that there's a lot of cash on the sidelines that wants to get back into these rare earths. And these rare earths, the small sector, which has been so beaten down and short, and having so many the media reports. One day the media reports low demand for rare earths as China does not use exports. The next day they report, DOE reports terbium, dysprosium, neodymium, they're in a critical shortfall in the near term. So investors have been blown back left and right. So it's becoming the reality that the rare earths are regaining interest, and it's important that we follow these breakouts and to see if there will be follow-through in the next couple of days. Another company that we have been following since early 2009 is US Gold, and we have had a very significant downturn. I had a long-term target of $10 on US Gold throughout 2009 and 2010 and 2011. And we almost got to $10. So it's important, target areas or approximate areas. So as it gets close, you have to be careful. Now we've had this downtrend for several months, 8 months. And each time that it's tried to test this downtrend, it's failed. So there are some things that are some clues that this may actually break out here. Witness here that we have a negative divergence between price and momentum. So that's significant. We're seeing that the momentum is increasing. We're seeing the volume here as it broke 350 and went down to $3. We saw huge volume come in, which may have indicated that that was a major bottom there. And now we're having a powerful counter-trend rally, and we think that this may be the beginning of the bottoming process. So we need to stay tuned to this story, US Gold, because in a couple of weeks we know, I think in less than in a week, it'll become Mcewen Mining. And that will be a combination of a company with a very strong treasury, production out of Mineral Andes, and powerful growth out of US Gold. So stay tuned.